Okay, we're going to start here. 5x minus 2, we're going to graph it. And the first code we're going to do is menu 6, 1. And menu 6, 1 helps you find the 0. Remember, you can find the 0 whether your problem is linear or quadratic. And the problem we have right now is linear. So, lower down, go to the left of the point that's on the x-axis. So, x-axis, this point here. Let me scoot over. Right there. Okay, so left, and then go over to the right. That's what the upper bound means. Click. And there is the 0. And you should see it. Click again. Come on. Alright, good. 0.4. That's your 0. Let's do another one. Let's do quadratic. X squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, and now let's do menu 6, 1. Okay, it says because you have two graphs, it wants to know which graph are you talking about. Well, we want to do the quadratic one, which is normally why I tell you to always start a new one. Okay, so it says lower bound, go to the left of the point on the x-axis, go to the right, click, and there are the zeros, -4, 0. So that works for linear or quadratic. And we did x squared plus 8x plus 16, and we did 5x minus 2. And both of those without the zeros for both. Alright, let's see what else we're going to do here. Menu, the minimum. To find the minimum, you're looking at a quadratic equation where the graph has a smile, where it doesn't have a hill, it has a valley. Some people describe it as a valley, some people describe it as a smile. The curve of the parabola is at the bottom. So minimum, enter. Okay, so I'll pick this graph because I have two graphs on my screen. Lower bound, go to the left, click until it says upper, slide over, click, and your minimum happens at that point. So for this example, the minimum and the vertex, they were the same, and the roots were the same. Okay, let's do another one where the roots and the minimum are different. So control doc, add graph. Okay, you ready? Let's do x squared minus, let's see, 3x minus 10. Okay, press enter. I don't see the minimum on this one. It's way down there. Let's see what happens if we try to find it. Menu 6, 2, because we're talking about minimum. Okay, enter. Go to the left of the minimum. Go to the right of the minimum. Because it's way down there. We're talking about the valley of the parabola. And it brought it up for me. There it is. 1.5, comma, -12. So the minimum happens at y equals -12. It also shows me the vertex at that minimum, which is 1.5, comma, -12. Okay. Let's do maximum. Control doc. Add a new graph. And I'm going to do -x squared minus 3x minus 10. Now let's do plus 3x. Just cause. Alright. And looks like I can't see my graph. Let's see what happened. Menu. What should we do? Zoom out. Look, there it is. escape to get out of zoom. Now, can we find the maximum here? Yes, we can. It has a maximum because it's a hill. So menu, 6, and now we're talking about 3. Because menu 6.3 will give us the maximum. This is maximum. That was minimum. Press enter. Go to the left. Click. Go to the right. Click, and there it is. We're good. Now, when you go to the minimum and the max, they also give you the vertex, so don't trip out about that. But if you wanted to find the vertex without doing that, you could. Go to menu, go down to 6, so menu, 6, and we go all the way down to 7. So menu 6, 7, and where do you think we're gonna go? Vertices. And all you have to do is take the graph and hover it over it, and then it pops up in fraction form. That's a little ugly, so let me delete what we already did. If I can get it to click. Alright, delete. Hold on, let me see if I can get it to delete the whole thing. There we go, delete. Okay, I want to delete the little dot too, if it'll let me. Click, delete. Alright, menu 6, go down to 7. And go down to 2. Menu 6, 7, 2 will also help you find the vertex. Now I like this one because all you have to do is hover it over, move the arrow over to the graph, and it shows you in fraction form, which is really nice. But when you move, the cursor goes away. Now I made mine stay because I clicked on it. And let me show that again. I clicked on it and it stayed. But if you don't click, and move that over there somewhere. If you don't click, it won't stay. Let me show you one more time so you won't say, you said it was going to disappear and it didn't. Okay, menu, 6, 7, and then 2. See, I hover over and I don't click anything. I just move it away. It's gone. See, it disappears. But if you go back, and while you're there and you click, it'll stay. Okay, so that's menu 6, 7, and 2 to find the vertex. Doing these problems, you also have to find the axis of symmetry. I've taught most of you that the x value is the axis of symmetry 3/2. So you should know that. But if you forget, you can do menu 6, 7, 4. That's the axis of symmetry. And that works for you. Okay? So when we do that, the line will show up just like it did. See? And it shows you. Let me scoot that over so you can see. That dotted line pops up. And if you click, it stays. And then on top of that, so if you put the hand over it, click, hold, press, move over, you can see it. But it's 3/2. That's the axis of symmetry, and it matches what we already had. So that's pretty awesome. So that was menu 6, 7, 4. Now remember, this is review. I'm not teaching you. This is review, just for the STAR retest, for those that needed to retake it. Okay. Last, we need to do intersection. So to do intersection, we're going to talk about systems. No, not systems. We're going to talk about, systems. Let's say it right first time. Whew. So systems would be control dock. Let's add another graph. Let's graph 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 5. Tab, 3x plus 1. And we're looking for where they cross. And they cross way down there. So menu 6, 4 allows you to find the intersection. So I'm going to go all the way to the left, all the way to the right so that I can cover the point, and it brings it back up so I can see it, or brings it up so I can see it, and it's at -3, -6, -13. Let's menu 6-4. It finds the intersection. Okay, so that concludes the calculator tricks. There's more than one way to do a lot of the stuff we did in the 3 videos you have to watch, 3 or 4. If you have any questions, again, kick me. If you need to see another video of how to do something that I didn't put in the video, or explain further how to do something that's already in the video, let me know, because if you don't tell me, I won't know. Love you guys, and happy studying for this retest, especially if you were just 1 or 2 away. If you were more than 1 or 2 away, like 7 or 8, please, please, I'm pleading, please watch these videos, please practice, and kick me if you need me.